So the core principle of Maths Week is Maths for all, and that's regardless of your background, your ability, your age. Everyone can participate in Maths Week, and that's very important. We're here in the Botanic Gardens in Dublin, where we're teaming up with the Botanic Gardens Halloween Festival, and we're bringing maths puzzles and games. We have our presenters doing performances in the theatre. We expect over 5,000 people here today.
My talk today was about the mathematics of crowd flow, so looking at the ways in which people behave when they're in a big crowd and the kind of mathematical patterns that we observe in everyday movement of people. To get away from the classroom and actually really think about how we use maths in everyday life. Maths Week Ireland is such a great opportunity to explore all of the fantastic things you can do with maths, and I think other countries should take it up.
We wanted to show them lots of ways in which maths is used in real life. I was talking about decision making, so I was just talking about some of the maths behind that. You know, if there's a theme that connected both talks today, it was about how maths and people and real life all interconnect far more than many teenagers think.
It was very motivational and different, not what I was expecting at all. So it was good to see that side of maths, something fun.
So what's happening here on Grafton Street today is Maths in the City. We really want to show people that maths is all around us, that maths is everywhere. You have it here in the streets, but you use it everywhere, use it in your daily life, and we just want to bring the message across that you don't have to be afraid of maths because it's something you use every day.
Great opportunity to get people out in the streets and show them how much fun maths can be. You know, interacting with the internet and the world, everything works, your smartphone and everything because of maths. I mean, that's why GPS works, that's why airplanes work, combination of engineering and maths in that case. But maths is underlying so much in modern society.
We've just had 1,000 pupils, primary pupils in here at the Helix. The show's all about really getting children to believe that mathematics is not just about pages of sums. If you like, it's a sneaky disguised as a magic show because kids like a bit of magic, but I want to bring that awe and wonder to the world of maths as well. Well, we can all remember someone from our youth, right? A teacher or a show or something we saw that just sparked an interest for us, and who knows where that will go. So I think Maths Week is an extraordinary thing.
I think when people develop this anxiety towards maths, they can pass that on to younger generations. So a positive attitude where it's seen as a fun activity, where that anxiety is removed, is really, really important.
I thought it was really good, and I liked the way he was funny and explained things.
She exceeded my expectations. I thought it was very funny. It was great for the kids to come out here and see the stuff that they're learning in class and see it in a different environment.
Today we had two schools, one from north of the border and one from the south, and we had 5 puzzles involving dominoes, cards, calculators, tangrams, and they had 8 minutes to solve a set of questions at each puzzle. And the other thing is nothing is marked wrong, so they have to try again and again, so they don't feel a negative attitude at all. A nice and simple format which they love and they get excited about.
It was challenging and also fun. It was a time to get out of class and there was great things to do with it. It was really fun.
Yeah, I liked it. I especially liked the dominoes, the dominoes thing we were doing.
Maths Week has become a very significant part of the school calendar. Kids look forward to it now. It allows them the opportunity to work both in school and at home on simple maths problems and everyday maths problems.
It's really great to see children and families and everyone coming along and just really taking an interest in maths, and we've got lots of kind of events and puzzles and different problems that they can get into. The whole problem solving and the kind of challenge of maths has always been something that's really appealed to me, especially at events like this where you see kind of the fun side and the real applications of maths. It's really useful that they see that from a young age, and then they can go in with kind of this positive approach towards maths.
The idea is to show people that maths can be enjoyable. It's not something that you just do at school in a textbook. It's something that impacts every day of our lives. We use maths all the time.